How to enable Cash App card when disabled. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Starting off, you need to launch your Cash App. Make sure that you have installed the application that is easily available in your Play Store or App Store. To log in, you will need to enter your phone number or your email address. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see an interface something like this. At the bottom, you have to tap on the card icon, which will redirect you in this interface. At the bottom of your virtual card, you will see the option of Order. Tap on it. In here, you will see the option of Activate Cash Card. Select the option of Activate Cash Card. Make sure that Enable Cash Card option and Show Cash Card info is toggled on. Next step, you'll get to pick a color for your very own virtual Cash App card. Select a color and tap on Continue. And that is how you'll be able to enable a disabled card in your Cash App. Isn't it simple? And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.